In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install and format a micro SD card in your Nintendo Switch or Switch 2. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. In order to do this, you are going to need a micro SD card. They come in different storage sizes, so choose one that fits how many games you plan on downloading. But before you're inserting the SD card itself, you're going to need to fully power off your console. So hold down the power button on the top of the Switch, select power options when it pops up on the screen, and then choose power off, and wait until the console completely shuts down. After this, turn the Switch over, open up the kickstand on the back, and you're going to see the micro SD card slot underneath the kickstand. Line up the SD card correctly, gently push it in. It's going to be spring loaded, so keep pushing until you feel like a little click, and once it clicks into place, close that kickstand and turn your console back on. It's going to take a few seconds for you to do that, so hold down that power button, and once the Switch does open it up, go ahead and unlock it, and we'll need to format the SD card so that the Switch can actually use it properly. So scroll down, go to System Settings right here, open that up, and then scroll all the way down to System, down towards the very bottom, then scroll over, and you're going to see a formatting option or data close or data clear options right here. Open that up, scroll down a little bit more, and where mine currently says clear micro SD card data, you're going to see a format micro SD card option. Choose that or hit clear micro SD card data. Just keep in mind that formatting it will erase everything currently on the SD card, so make sure that you've backed up anything important. Confirm that format when prompted, and the console will restart automatically. As soon as it turns back on, your micro SD card is successfully installed and ready to use. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.